Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here is the daily 2 update for Bitcoin. We have July the 29th, and guys, very important. I would like to show you this. Look at this. This is the daily time frame, and this is maybe we are forming a really bad pattern, a doji pattern. A doji pattern is this one here. Every candle here is 1 day, and okay, we have 16 hours to close this candle. Everything is possible, but for the moment you can see this doji star here, and I can tell you what's going on with this doji star. The doji star, you can see this doji candlesticks. You can see it here. It could be a green one with a little close and opening body here, or a red one, or one with a big wick to the upside, or one with a big wick to the downside. But it's an unsure closing candle, a little body and a long wick to the upside and a wick to the downside. What does it mean, guys? What does it mean? Look at this here, a doji candle maybe, and then a reversal of the trend. It's possible that these dojis are showing us the reversal of a trend. So we saw now a little nice run to the upside. Maybe this unsure closing candle can show us the trend to the downside. Guys, we will watch this now on this video. Here we are. This is a trading view, and you can see the daily. Let's remove the candles here, not important anymore. We are in a nice uptrend, and you can see it. We are fighting on the middle line. We have the big swings to the upside. This is the Fibonacci 0.382 with 42,600. This is this line here, and we have the Fibonacci line on the downside with 0.236. This is 37,300, 400 to the downside. So it's possible, it's really possible to go down from here. We have the EMA 200 about 38,500. And this is the big stuff. This is the big picture for the daily. Let's check the 4-hour time frame, and I will show you very soon a nice shoulder-head-shoulder trade from yesterday, but I will show you this a little bit later. Now let's check the 4-hour time frame. Here it is. 4-hour time frame. Ribbon band is here, our nice friend. We have it as a good support on the downside. Perfect. Look at the middle line. We are now fighting under the middle line, but since long time we are fighting with this middle line. If we will break down here, you know my pattern, my target, 37,300, and if we can break up again 42,600, maybe this is the big thing. So indicator, what is telling us the RSI, relative strength index, and attention. We saw here overbought RSI. Now we are on 64 points. This is not overbought. Okay, but guys, look at this. The line from the downside to the upside was this line, and we broke it. We broke this line here yesterday. I told you guys we will break this line. Attention. Now we broke it. This is a sign for a downgoing price for Bitcoin. So in my opinion, it's more likely to go down from here, 60% or 70%, I think, and to take deep press here on 37,000, and with big breath to the upside, a lot of volume to the upside, we can break through to 42,000. It's possible. But first of all, it's possible to see a little leg to the downside. This is the big thing I'm watching. Guys, on the 1-hour time frame, the RSI is on 54 points, not overbought, not oversold. Everything is okay. We can make one line here from the highest point here over this to the downside. This is our resistance to the upside. We are under this resistance. And if you're watching on the downside, this is our deepest point, and we can make a line also. So it's a little triangle on the 1-hour RSI. If we break it to the downside, you know it, guys, it's a nice short opportunity here. Something, guys, I will show you. This was a thing yesterday in my live stream. It was a thing, and it was a really nice trade. It was a really nice shoulder trade. I can show you. This one is from yesterday. The shoulder, it was a head, and it was here a really nice right shoulder. And if you zoom in a little bit more, here was the line from this point over this points here. This was our trend line, and we broke this trend line perfect with the short signal here. It was a nice short opportunity. Some guys asked me, Biti, how deep will we go here? And yes, the technical target for this shoulder was this one here. It was directly here from the downgoing price to this one. It was 38,000. 38,000 was the big target for this short, and you can see we saw a short. The shoulder played out perfect. We saw a short, but not so deep. So here's a lot of buy volume, guys. A lot of institutes are coming in. A lot of bots are buying here on this point. Why on this point? I can show you guys. First of all, if you are seeing here nice wicks to the downside, this is a sign for an upgoing price. If you see long wicks to the upside, it's a downgoing price. Remember this always if you're trading. if you're starting to see long wicks to the downside, for the most times you see an upgoing price. This was the first thing we saw. The next thing was this one. This spike to the downside here was a really nice target. It was about 38,700. It wasn't a perfect hit, but it was okay. We spiked down to here. It was a nice buy position or rebuy position if you sold here, and then a nice next trade to the upside. Guys, this was the shoulder head shoulder from yesterday, a nice trade in my live stream. Please watch this 24 hours 7 days a week on YouTube and on Twitch. Guys, this is all the stuff for today. You know everything you need to know. I wish you, it doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short, I wish you make millions, guys, with your trades. Have a nice time. Greetings to my only 1, 2, 3 supporters, but they are very nice. Thank you guys for supporting me. I hope we will make millions of supporters, but there are only 1, 2, 3 supporters, but they are very, very nice. Thank you very much, guys. Have a nice time. Very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Greetings, yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.